Hello, I'm in a small town called Jedburgh. Dayle and I have got a few days away. We've come down in the van, which you can see behind. I just wanted to show you the view that we've got this morning. So watch out, don't get run over by this camper van. This is Jedburgh Abbey. It's been a place of worship since the 12th century. Plundered twice by the English in the 14th and 15th century and finally finished off by the Reformation. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll show you some drone footage. There's not going to be a full upload this week. I'm just going to spend some time with Dayle and we'll catch up with the videos next week. So hope everybody's doing well. Have a great week.